Good morning, students. First of all, I welcome you all to the virtual classroom of St. Joseph Higher Secondary School, Pulingum. Hope you all are safe at home. Let me introduce myself. I am Rosemary and I am here to teach you some basics of English grammar. Do you all love English? Then tell me, how many letters we have in English language? Yes, we have 26 letters in English language. And these 26 letters can be divided into two. What are they? They are vowels and consonants. So we have 26 letters in English alphabets, and these alphabets can be divided into two. They are vowels and consonants. Now tell me, what is a vowel? A vowel is a sound which we can pronounce it freely. നമ്മൾ ഉച്ചരിക്കുമ്പോൾ യാതൊരു തടസ്സവും കൂടാതെ കൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് ഉച്ചരിക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്ന ഒരു അക്ഷരത്തെയാണ് നമ്മൾ വവൽ എന്ന് പറയുക. സോ ഏതൊക്കെയാണ് വവൽ ലെറ്റേഴ്സ് എന്ന് നോക്കാം. എ, ഇ, ഐ, ഒ, യു. These 5 letters of English alphabets are called vowels. And the consonants. All the letters except these vowels are called consonant sounds. That means we have 21 consonant letters in English language. We have 21 consonant letters and 5 vowels. Altogether we have 26 alphabets in the English language. Now we are going to learn a grammar portion known as articles. Articles. So what do you mean by an article? An article is a word that modifies a noun. An article is a word that modifies a noun. And we have 3 articles. They are a and the. So we have 3 articles, a and the. So today we are going to learn how can we use articles, or where should we use articles. So from these 3 articles I am going to start with an, because I think it's more easier to understand. So article an. We have already learned we have 5 vowel sounds in English. They are A, E, I, O, U. So the article an is used before a noun which start with a vowel sound. An article an is always used before a noun that start with a vowel sound. For example, let us start with first vowel A. Apple. So here we use article an. The next is elephant. Here also we uses the article an. Next, ice cream. Here also we uses the article an. Orange. Here also we uses the article and. The last one, U, umbrella. Here also we uses the article an. So this is the basic condition where we use the article an. And there are some exceptions in this, in words such as honest, Let me write honest man. We cannot say a honest, but we always uses an honest man. Do you know why? Because the word honest is pronounced as honest, not honest. By pronouncing the word honest, the first letter remains silent and we pronounces it with the vowel sound. That is the reason why we uses an in front of an honest man. The same in the case with the word our. We uses an our. So these are some exceptions. So this is the basic condition to use the article an. Now moving on, let's move on to the article a. Article a, while using article a, we have to remember three conditions in our mind. The first one is when we are talking about something in general. When we are talking about something in general. The second condition is a consonant. And the third condition is when we are talking about something for the first time. When we are talking about something for the first time. I will explain this with the help of an example. This is a book. Here we want to use the article a. This is a book. For I am talking about a book in general. I am not talking to you about any particular novel or a story or anything. I am talking about a book in general. And the second thing, look at the word book. The first letter B is a consonant or second condition. And the third condition, I am talking to you about this book for the first time. I haven't talked to you before about any book. So I am talking to you about the book for the first time. So these three conditions are here. So that's why here we use the article a. So you should always remember these three conditions while using the article a. First one is when you are talking about something in general. The second one, when you are talking, when a word start or a noun starts with a consonant sound. And third is when you are talking about something for the first time. And the last one is the article the. The article the, we can relate article a and the and study. Let's see. Here in the article a we uses when we are talking about something in general. But in the case of article the, we uses it when we are talking about something for particular or specific. The second condition, when we are talking about something for the second time. When we are talking about something for the second time. While in the case of article A, while talking about something for the first time, in the case of article the, when we are talking about something for the second time. For example, the sentence I ate dash banana was sweet. So let us look for the first sentence. I ate dash banana. In this sentence I am talking about a banana for the first time, and the word banana starts with a consonant sound, and I am talking about it in general. So here we uses the article a. But for the second time, we are the dash banana was sweet. Here I am talking about the banana for the second time and also about that specific banana that I ate. That is why here we use the article the. So these are the conditions where we should use the article the. When we are talking about something for specific and when we are talking about something for the second time. So this is all about articles. So let us revise what we heard today. First, we have learned that there are 26 letters in our language and these can be divided into two, vowels and consonants. We have 5 vowel sounds, A, E, I, O, U, and the second consonants. We have 21 consonants. All these altogether forms the English alphabets. And the next is articles. It is a grammar part. We have 3 articles and we also learned the situation where we should use the articles. The first one is an. The article an is always used before a noun that starts with a vowel sound. In the case of article A, we have 3 conditions. The first one is when we are talking about something in general. The second one, when a noun starts with a consonant sound. Third one, when we are talking about something for the first time. And with the article the is used when we are talking about something specific, and the second condition is when we are talking about something for the second time. So these are the conditions where we use the articles. Hope you all enjoyed the class. Thank you.